Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My new MJ45 RGB ring lights just arrived. Let's unbox this together. This is how the packaging looks. So yeah, that's the front and the back of the packaging. So we are opening it right now to unveil what we have inside. Yeah, so that's the remote that came with the ring light. As we continue to unbox, you'll see more. Yeah, so that's the LED light panel and the power adapter connected to it. And I've already shown you the remote control that it came with. And then we have the bag. It came with the bag as well. In case you want to travel with your ring light, you can just put it inside there. Very portable. So it also comes with the mounting bracket that I just showed you, and the tripod mounting screws. Yeah, that's what I'm bringing out, the tripod mounting screws and the clip that you can attach your phone with. So those are the clips where your phone will stay while you are doing your videos. So we are going to set them up, and then what I'm bringing out now is the tripod that came with it. So it's a complete kit. And the tripod is very long. It's about 7 feet tall. Yeah, as you can see, it's very long, 7 feet tall. So I'll have to adjust it to my size so that I'll be able to show you guys how I'm fixing the ring lights. This is like a self-explanatory video, so just watch as I'm doing it. This part is the part where I actually messed up. I'm not supposed to fix that screw, the position I'm fixing it, I'm supposed to fix it in the opposite direction. And so I wasn't able to tighten the knob properly. So I later figured this out after the video itself. So not to make the video too long, I wanted to quickly test the tripod and then figure out how I'll fix that knob. So the way I'm fixing it now is not the proper way, it's the opposite direction, so that the knob can tighten properly. At this point, you notice that I tried to tighten the knob, but it refused, just because, like I said, I didn't fix it properly. touching the RGB section and it's giving me this rainbow light. So wow, this is yellow light. Switch off. I'm touching the on and off button. I think the on and off button plus the brightness light. When I touch it, it gives me the white light right now. It increases the, I think this is the highest of the white light. And then if I touch it again, it gives me the yellow light. And then if I touch it again, it switches up. So let me touch the plus button. That should increase the brightness. Okay. I'm touching the minus, which has reduced the brightness, and plus increases the brightness. It's bright. It's okay. Okay, let us test the remote. Okay, let's test the remote. Luckily for me, I got 2 Tiger batteries. Oh, it's not the size. I need the small. I'll need the smaller size of this Tiger battery. So I don't have it. So we can't test the remote for now. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.